Okay, fetus, welcome to the third trimester. You want to stick around? You gotta answer the questions. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, first question. What is the function of the umbilical cord?
To wrap it around my neck and scare my mom.
Correct. Next question. What do you do when you notice your mother's bladder is full?
Immediately dance on it.
What kind of dance?
A tap dance.
Correct. What is your idea of a fun surprise?
My heart rate dropping, so my mom needs an emergency C-section, but I come out like...
Correct. When is the best time to move?
When she's trying to sleep.
When's the best time to stop moving?
Anytime she tries to record a video of her belly moving.
Correct. What is your idea of a dramatic entry?
Turning two holes into one.
Correct. What are the best kinds of kicks?
Oh, right into the cervix so she feels that lightning shock.
Correct. Your mom spent 9 months just dating you. Who do you end up looking like?
My dad.